Fine, let us start solving the problem number 14. The smallest 5-digit number that is divisible by 19 is the smallest. Let us go with this smallest 5-digit number. So let us go with this way. The greatest 5-digit number, the smallest 5-digit number, right here. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, right? So let me divide this 10,000 by 19. That is 10,000 by 19. 19 5s are. 19 5s how much? So 95. So we got a 5 and as well as 0 I will bring down. Correct. Then 19 2s are. 19 2s are 38. So 12, right? I will bring down 0. Next is 19 6 are. So 19 6 are. So 9 6 are 54. 5 carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11. So we got 6. Right. Now 10,000. But it is not completely divisible. So we need to find the smallest number. What we can do at this particular point of time, that is 10,000, and we got a remainder that you subtract and add 19 to this. You will get the answer, right? That is 19 minus 6 is 13, right? 10,000 plus 13, which is going to be 10,013. 10,013 is the smallest 5-digit number which is completely divisible by 19. So the answer here is B. So you can check out with this 10,013 that divided by 19. 19 5s, we have already done this, right? That is 95. We are able to get 5 and 1. I'll bring down 19 2s, 38. 38, see 1, 11 minus 8 is 3, 4 minus 3, this is 1 and 3. 19 7s are. 7 9s are 63, 3, 6 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 6 is 13. So 0. So 527, when you multiply with 19 you are going to get 10,013. So 10,013 is the smallest number which is divisible by 19. So that the answer is 10,013 B.